Confused about the cosmos? Can't tell a planet from a star? Then give us just 5 minutes and we'll show you what they are. Jack Horkheimer, stargazer, tells you all about the night sky and the biggest show of all, the universe. And now, this week's episode.
A little bit of winter in August.
Hey there, stargazers. I'm Marlene Hidalgo from Miami, Florida, and I'll be your guide to the sky this month on Stargazer. If you know when and where to look, you can get a preview of the brightest stars of winter in the sultry days of August. Plus, the moon pays a visit to 2 morning planets to close out the month. Let me show you. Okay, we've got our sky set up for this weekend, Saturday, August 20th, about 45 minutes before sunrise facing east, where you'll see several bright stars covering a huge area from east to southeast. In fact, almost due east, you'll see winter's super bright star Procyon, which marks the eye of Orion, the hunter's little dog. And to its right, just above the southeast horizon, is the brightest star we can see from Earth, Sirius, which marks the eye of Orion's big dog. And of course, right above Sirius, the unmistakable 3 stars evenly spaced in a row, which mark the belt of our winter's most famous constellation, Orion himself. His 2 knee stars to the right and his 2 shoulder stars to the left. And directly above his shoulder stars, Aldebaran, the reddish star, which marks the eye of Taurus the bull. And to Taurus's left, Capella, the brightest star of winter's Auriga the charioteer. And directly below him, Castor and Pollux, the 2 brightest stars of Gemini, the twins. So even though nights may still be hot and sultry where you live at the end of August, every August, if you get out just before sunrise, you can see all of the brightest stars of winter above the eastern horizon. But this year, something new has been added, because up and to the right of Orion is a very bright spot of light in your morning sky. In fact, you can use the belt of Orion to get you started on your way to find it. Take the 3 belt stars of Orion and shoot an arrow to the right through those belt stars and head towards the south, and you'll come to the king of the planets, Jupiter. Jupiter is slowly plodding eastward among the stars, but it's about to stop at the end of August and then back up and retrace its path westward until Christmas time. This backing up marks the best time to observe Jupiter because it will be at its closest to us in October at what we call opposition. This backward movement is called retrograde motion and was quite a puzzle for ancient astronomers. Jupiter does nothing quickly. It takes about 12 Earth years for Jupiter to orbit the Sun one time. One exception to this is the family of moons that orbits Jupiter. They do move quickly in their circuits around Jupiter, and you can see them move across the faces of Jupiter in just a few hours. To the right of Castor and Pollux, you might notice an additional dim orangish light, which usually isn't there. The red planet Mars is about 14 degrees to the right of Pollux. Mars is not very bright right now because it's on the other side of the solar system from us. Mars is actually about twice as far away as we are from the Sun. We will steadily close in on Mars and approach it every day until March of 2012. Some of you may remember when Mars was at its closest to Earth in over 50,000 years back in August of 2003. Well, this is nothing like that. Mars is now only 2% as bright as it was back in August of 2003. You may see a garbage story on the internet about Mars being as big as the moon over the next few weeks, but now you know the real story. You can find Mars, but it will be a challenge. But never fear, our old friend the moon will come along soon and help show you the way. And if you're one of those who never really knows for sure whether or not you found a planet, well, just use the moon as a finder. On Saturday, August 20th, a 21-day-old waning gibbous moon will be parked very close to Jupiter, and over the next 5 days will step across the sky and end up helping you to locate Mars. On Thursday, August 25th, a 25-day-old waning crescent moon will be just 3 degrees to the right of Mars. All of winter's bright stars visible in the east just before sunrise at August's end, plus 2 planets. Keep looking up!
Make the Stars Your Own is available on DVD or VHS for $19.95. In addition, Stargazing with Jack Horkheimer, Cosmic Comics for the Skywatcher is also available for $19.95.